Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2019 GLE 400 4MATIC. This one's a polar white. Underneath the hood is a 3-liter V6 twin turbo pushing out 329 horsepower and 354 pounds of torque. This one has front and rear LED daytime running lights, 20-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. A saddle brown leather interior with an anthracite poplar wood trim, panorama sunroof. Come around back. GLE 400 4MATIC badging, trailer hitch, power liftgate, set to all season and regular floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover, premium 2 package with blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, heated steering wheel, illuminated door sills, steering wheel controls, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, parking assistance package with a surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors, hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, heated and cooled cup holders, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for our different driving patterns. This GLE has 19,372 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 400 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.